Thank you for clicking on this video. So today I am going to make puff puff, also called Bofrot in Ghana. So then if you're a beginner and you are always not getting your puff puff right, this video is for you. So in my mixing bowl, I'm adding warm water, sugar and yeast, which is very important. So at this point, I'm going to make sure that all my wet ingredients are well combined. So then it's time for dry ingredients. I'm adding powdered milk, which is very important. It gives your puff puff a better taste. Now it's time to add my dry ingredients. So then I am going to add my flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, and I'm also going to add nutmeg and salt. As a beginner, you don't want to mess up your recipe or your puff puff. So even as you have all your ingredients measurements correct, you still want to take your time and add your flour bit by bit. You don't want to miss that consistency that you're looking for, which is very, very important. Building natural beauty, making fertility boosting, smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie. Doing natural things, doing natural things. So guys, at this point, if you're not part of my YouTube family already, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to turn on bell notification icon. You are going to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you. So guys, at this point, you want to make sure that there are no lumps in your mixture, okay, which is very, very important. So this is the consistency we are looking for at this point. So you want to make sure that you achieve the desired consistency. You don't want to mess it up, okay? So as you can see, every lump is out of my mixture, so I'm going to cover this, set it aside, also leave it up until 60 minutes or 1 hour. Make sure that you keep this in a warm place. So guys, after 45 minutes, I'm going to check, and I know definitely it's ready to fry. Voila, it's ready. So on making puff puff, you want to make sure you have enough oil in your frying pan, which is very, very essential when frying puff puff. The most challenging part of puff puff is how to mix your ingredients and how to get your mixture or consistency right. At this point, I'm going to test my oil to see if it's ready to fry or not. So at this time, I know that I am ready to go because it's time to fry. So I'm going to use my hand to scoop in my puff puff. With berries, healthy, homemade smoothies, cutie, smoothies, making Ghanaian dishes, building natural beauty, making fertility boosting, smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie, doing natural things, doing natural things. Your puff puff is going to be turning on its own, and that's the beautiful aspect of making puff puff, right? So if in case your puff puff doesn't turn on its own, why not turn it yourself? And you want to make sure that your heat is not as higher as you started. If not, your puff puff is going to get burns. Meanwhile, you want to enjoy how it's turning on its own. Beautiful. So if your puff puff is still on fire at this time and the fire is so high or the heat is so high, it's going to be burnt. So you need to reduce it. So my puff puff or our puff puff is ready. And I want to congratulate you for making a super puff puff, a perfect one like that. I can see that smile, right? So thank you for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment. If you have anything for me, leave it in the comments section.
Wow. Who say woman not the cook? Woman not the cook. Pretty girl don't do soup. He don't do soup.
Until I come your way again next time, here is Rema. Bye.